Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I'm literally welcome back to my channel. I'm literally walking toca while doing this channel, and toca really inspired me to start doing toca videos. So let's do it. It's another school day. We have to get the school to kids to school, but it's not really bad because I get to do so much things. Okay, Mia, wake up. I don't wanna go to school. I wanna sleep. Did you watch any movies? Oh, she stayed up late. Girl, wake up. Get your butt out of that bed right now. Oh, fine. Girl, get out of that bed right now. I said get out. You just say I'm waiting. Oh my god, girl. You're not gonna make me speak French, okay? So get your butt out of there. Let me just go get my glasses. It's really blurry. Let me get mine too. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, let me get her. Shh. I think you're hungry. Let me feed you. So, guys, don't mind the eating. Okay, so let's go have your shower for you. She's really sleepy. And guys, don't mind this part. She's really sleepy. The baby's really sleepy. And I'll just quickly feed her, and I'll go get your water ready. Guys, pretend the water is ready already for her. And the baby is basically a girl. Like, I couldn't find any girl hair. Oh my god. My god. There's been a snowstorm. Attention everybody. There's gonna be a snowstorm. Oh my god. A snowstorm? I can't really get that. Oh my god, I can't believe a snowstorm is happening. Me too. Saying, Mommy, are we gonna be alright? Yes, don't worry, sweetie. We'll be alright. We'll find shelter. Okay, let me just wake up your dad for you. I don't even know. Let's just get ready first of all. I don't even know what to do or what to think. Wait, let me start with you first of all. Come on, Mia. Okay, so I don't even know what to do. Okay, just come on. Just come, okay? Guys, don't mind this part. I was literally looking for her diapers, and it was right in front of me, and I didn't even know. So, guys, okay, let me just... So, anyways, let's just do this. Gosh. So I'm just gonna basically do this. Okay, so let's go. Yeah. Oh, Mommy, me scared. I know. Just come back. Let's just have your bath, okay? Okay, Mama. I have my bath. Okay, don't feel scared, okay? Okay, Mama. Mommy, where my bathing suit? Don't worry, it's okay. I found it. Okay. So, I'm gonna have my shower. Yeah, you're gonna have your shower. Okay, just on the lovely light so we can see better. And I'll wake up. What's his name again, guys? I can't remember his name. Let's just do this first. I'll remember his name. Daniel. So Daniel is his name. So gosh, Daniel is the husband. Yeah, husband. Let me just get back to washing your hair, rubbing your body, then your hair, and some conditioner. Guys, this will be conditioner for now, but next time when I'm bathing. But if any in a video and I show I bathing the baby conditioner. Pretend it's the baby's soap. Anyways, so let me just get you changed. It's really warm already. Yeah, I know, but it'll be warmer because, oh my god. So anyways, and everyone, credits to Toca Tay. I just wanna say follow Toca Tay on her videos, and I'm giving credits like Toca Tay, follow Toca Tay, okay? So I'm just gonna wear my glasses and I got changed. So Daniel, wake up. There's a snowstorm happening. What the hell did you just say? Bruh, I don't know what you just said. Well, I think I'm deaf right now. You just said a snowstorm? Yeah, we need to get searched quick. Guys, pretend he just had his bat. Hold on. Pretend he had his bat. So anyway, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack some clothes. We might need them. Let me just get this stupid stuff we get out here. Put them in the place. I don't even know how they got there. They're supposed to be in this. Let me just get my phone on because my phone is literally my life. So anyway, so let me just get my phone, some PJs, and some of this, I guess. Maybe wait, hold on, guys. Sorry, guys, I was AFK. And guys, my phone charged, but the screen record thing, I had to add it up together, so yeah. So anyways, let's go. Let's go let me put the baby's hat on. That's why he's a 15. So let's do this, okay. Okay, so let me just... this place stinks. I know, right? This place stinks. Man, people can't even spray perfume just to make this place nice. Guys, my gosh. Like, there's a O2 perfume in my house and it just sprayed and it smells so good now. Oh my god. I love you, baby. What the hell? What the hell? I'm married. I got a wife. But that woman's creepy. It's creeping me out. So anyways, next destination into the shelter. People who need the shelter. I'm gonna use the restroom really quick. Okay, no mind. Guys, don't mind all these things that they're sending me. Just don't mind it. Gosh. Well, these are my friends. Okay, let me just really finish using up the flash. What the hell? Jeez. What just happened? Look, it just turned on by itself. This has creeping me out. Anyways. I think we can take the car or something. Daniel, are you okay? Gosh, we've gone far enough. We can just walk and take sidewalks. We've gone far enough. And snowstorm is always here. So we don't have time to go back and forth. So thank goodness we reached here already. Oh god. Oh, sis. What you doing? It's really good to see you, sis. Oh, you guys know each other? Yeah, we grew up together, and she's my sister. So I didn't really. So sis, you're hiding here too? Yeah, my house is like a mountain, but I just wanted to hide here because I don't know if my mansion can resist it. So come on in, I have shelter. How did you even find this place, girl? Girl, you're a lifesaver. I know, sometimes she could be annoying, so let's just still going. And guys, sorry for like all the explanations. I'm just trying to keep you up. And Tokate is the person who inspired me, so I'm just gonna start it. Okay, so let's go. Well, you have clothes. So the clothes we even packed, we didn't even need them. And guys, I have a little glitch right there, so don't mind it. Oh, this place looks pretty warm. Yeah, I feel so cozy. Yeah, I feel tired. Girl, you got a slap, please? What does that mean? Just don't worry about that. I killed a slat. I killed a slat to eat. Well, it's not my fault I didn't bring food. There was a snowstorm. Oh my god, someone's calling me. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna message the person for a while, so yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, so it's getting really late, so I'm just gonna sleep. So let's just sleep off. Yeah, I just really want to sleep. So let's sleep. Oh, I heard some noise. Maybe it's just nothing. I just heard that there was no aliens. I didn't know there was no aliens, but I'm kind of creeped out. Well, you sure you're supposed to hurry up. Oh, snow day. Wait, why am I saying snow day? It's literally the next day. Snowstorm have gone. We did it, guys. We did it. Guys, we actually did it. It's out. The snowstorm is gone. We did it, guys. We did it. And we did it, guys. So let's go out. So let's go. The snowstorm's over. Yay. The snowstorm's over. Attention, everybody. Attention. The snowstorm is over. Snowstorm, I repeat. The snowstorm is over. I repeat, the snowstorm is over. Okay, that was interesting. And I'm really happy. Hippie, hippie, hippie. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Jane, don't let go of that baby, because I'm just gonna get after. So, okay, don't worry about me. I'm just so happy the snowstorm is gone. I can start cooking my delicious meal, because we haven't eaten, we didn't get food at all. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Mrs. James, I say Jane. Sorry, Mrs. Jane. It's really hard for me to get things I don't really know about that. So I forgot about food, but I'm okay. Well, I think I stored food in the cabinets. Well, I didn't really eat them. So, yeah, bye guys. I hope you subscribe and like some of my videos. So, bye.